How to change the banner image of your Microsoft Teams community. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the easy steps on how you can change the banner image of your Microsoft Teams community. So in order to start, the first thing that we're going to do is click onto this communities tab. Using this, we can access all of the communities that we are a part of. So as you can see, I'm part of these two communities, Wisdom and YouTube. Now let's say if I want to change the banner image of this YouTube community, then I can simply click over here and I can see the banner image. Now to change this banner image, I'll simply click onto this pencil icon, and from here I can choose a new banner image like this and then click on to done. Now you can see a new banner image has been applied. If you wish to upload your own banner image, you can simply click onto this upload image option and choose the banner image that you like and click onto this open button. Once you will do this, it will auto adjust and it will paste your banner image right here like this. So that's how easily you can change the banner image of your Microsoft Teams communities. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.